from the Earth's crust, rocks and minerals. In this lesson, types of rocks, minerals, conservation of fossil fuels. You have learnt in the previous class that the Earth is made up of rocks and soil. Rocks are found both on the surface of the Earth and on the seabed. Rocks are made up of naturally occurring substances called minerals. Some rocks are made up of only one mineral while some are made up of a number of minerals. Rocks vary from each other in their origin, their degree of hardness, color, texture and in their chemical composition. Types of rocks. Rocks are divided into three classes according to their method of formation: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. The Earth is very hot inside. Minerals are found in molten state deep inside the Earth due to excessive heat. This liquid material is called magma. This hot magma is pushed up by the pressure of other rocks. As the magma moves towards the surface of the Earth and is released out on the surface, it cools down and hardens to form rocks called igneous rocks. The magma that reaches the Earth's surface is called lava. Igneous rocks contain minerals like mica, feldspar and quartz. Some common igneous rocks are granite. Granite is the most common igneous rock. It is very hard. It is pink or grey in color. It is formed by slow cooling of lava. Granite is used for making buildings, statues and flooring of houses. Granite. Pumice. Pumice is formed due to quick cooling of lava. It is porous and full of holes due to trapped air bubbles. It is so light that it can float in water. It is used as a body scrubber. It is also used as a construction material. Pumice stone. Obsidian. Obsidian is also formed by quick cooling of lava. It is shiny and smooth like glass. It is usually black or dark colored. It has sharp edges. It is used to make jewelry, ornaments, and surgical tools. Obsidian. Sedimentary rocks. Rain, wind and rivers flowing down the mountains wear down the rocks present on the surface of the Earth into smaller pieces. These small pieces of rock turn into pebbles, gravel, sand and clay, and settle at the bottom of rivers, lakes or seas as sediment. More and more layers are added. Over a period of time, these layers of sediment get pressed together and form sedimentary rocks. They are always formed in layers. They are of many kinds. Sandstone. Sandstone is formed by cementing together of sand particles. It is used in construction of buildings. It may be yellow, red or brown in color. Shale. Shale consists of fine grains of mud and clay. This soft rock is used for making bricks, cement and tiles. Limestone. Limestone is formed from the shells and bones of sea creatures. It consists of calcite, a mineral present in the shells of sea animals. Chalk is the most common example of limestone. Limestone is used to make cement, paper, lime, etc. Conglomerate. Conglomerate is made up of sand, gravel and pebbles which have been cemented together by minerals. It is a very hard rock which can withstand wind, rain and sun. It is used in construction. Sandstone. Shale. Limestone. Conglomerate. Metamorphic rocks. When igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to intense heat and pressure inside the Earth, they change their form. This changed form is the metamorphic rock. Metamorphosis means change, and hence these rocks are called metamorphic rocks. Some examples are marble. Marble is formed from limestone which has undergone several changes. It comes in several colors, but white marble is the most common. It is used for making statues, buildings and floorings. Slate. Slate is also a metamorphosed sedimentary rock made from shale. It is usually dark, gray in color. Slate can split into layers. It is used for making roofs, writing slates and blackboards. Gneiss. Gneiss is formed from granite and igneous rock. It has dark and light bands of different colors. It is also used in buildings. Quartzite. Quartzite is formed from sandstone. It is a very hard rock and rich in quartz. It is mainly used in glass and ceramic industry, and also in making jewelry, ornaments, and statues. Marble. Slate. Gneiss. Quartzite. Minerals. Minerals are chemicals that occur naturally. They may be simple substances or complex substances. Rocks contain minerals. Minerals are of two types: metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are those from which metals can be extracted. These metals are useful in making jewelry, utensils, electrical appliances, machines, etc. Examples of metallic minerals are gold jewelry, aluminium vessels, silver and copper utensils. Non-metallic minerals. Minerals which do not contain metals are called non-metallic minerals. Examples of non-metallic minerals are coal, petroleum, mica, etc. They are used as fuel and in construction. Coal. Coal is formed from plants which died and got buried in the soil millions of years ago when the earth was covered with dense forests and thick swamps. Plants died and got buried in the swamps and decayed. Over a period of time, new vegetation grew on their surface and the process continued. Due to high temperature and pressure, this matter was converted into a spongy material called peat. Silt and mud got deposited on it, and lignite coal was formed. Asia is the largest producer of coal in the world. Coal is used as a fuel for cooking, in railway engines to produce steam, and in the steel industry. It is also used for producing electricity in thermal power plants. Petroleum. Petroleum is also a fossil fuel. It is also called crude oil, rock oil, fossil fuel, and black gold. It is formed from the remains of aquatic and land creatures which lived millions of years ago. They died and settled on the ocean bed. With the passage of time, sand and mud covered them. Due to the effect of high temperature and pressure, they underwent changes and were changed into petroleum and gas. To extract crude oil, wells are drilled along the ocean bed. An oil rig is used to extract crude oil from the wells in the ocean bed. In India, petroleum is obtained from Mumbai High in Maharashtra, Digboi in Assam, Ankaleshwar in Gujarat, etc. Uses of petroleum. Petroleum is refined to obtain many products which are used as fuel for vehicles, dry cleaning clothes, the manufacture of plastics, paints, cosmetics, fertilizers, and certain medicines. Paraffin wax obtained from petroleum is used to make candles, waterproof cartons and polish. Conservation of fossil fuels. Coal and petroleum are precious natural resources. They are non-renewable sources of energy. They take millions of years to form through a slow natural process. They will get exhausted if they are not used with due care. We must conserve these fossil fuels by using alternative sources of energy such as solar, wind and water energy, avoiding their wastage and utilizing them efficiently.